Hi everyone, let's now learn how to update the image on the Terrace template. So as you can see here, if you scroll down, you can easily select the image just clicking on them, and then just go into settings and then just replacing the image here, right? Or even just double click and then just replace the image, and then you can select an image from here, or even upload your own image. You can also see that we have some components here, and usually 4 components, and you can identify a component by this green color. So usually when we have a component, you will be able to update the icon or even the image here on this properties panel, so you can just replace the image here. But as you can see here, we have some sections where we cannot see actually the images right here inside the designer, right? So just give you this, so I'll just give you this example right now. We have the homepage view 1, and then we have here the about us section. And if you scroll down here, you can see that we have this third image here that just scrolls into the view. And as you notice, we cannot see this image here, right? So when you cannot see the image here, you need to use the navigator, right? So the navigator is basically a structure that contains all the elements on this page. So here you just need to look for the section. You have the image, right? So we have the home header, we have the home intro, and then we have the home about, right? And here, as you can see, we have this section that we want to update the image. So we can just start to expand the elements here and look for the image icons, right? Which are the image elements. And then if you select here, you can see that we have this image, and then here we have this other image, and then we have another image icon here. And if you select, you notice that that's the third image we are looking for. So after selecting, you can just replace the image here. And of course, you replace by the image that you want, and then just preview, and you have here the image updated, right? So that's how we'll be able to edit images that are not visible right away here. And that's the same for the header. As you can see, we have here some kind of like a slider. It's not a slider build functionality, but it's still a slider, right? And we have like this image that keeps changing. And as you notice, we just have this first one, which is actually the video, right? So for that, we need to use the navigator, and then just open here the home header, and just start to like expanding all the elements, and you start to see the elements here that we are looking for, which are the image, and of course we have a video here, right? And also, let's say you want to replace this video by an image, you can just go here and add a new image here, and then you can just replace for the image that you want, right? Let's go back to the navigator, and of course, let's just make sure this image is on the same place that the video is. And now we can just go here, select other image element of this slider. Let's just copy the class, and then let's just give the same class for this image we just selected here. And now, of course, we can just remove the video, and there we go. We now have the image that we want. We just replaced a video by an image, right? And of course, for the other images, you can just select here, go to settings, and then replace the image. So that's how we will be updating the image that are not visible here inside the designer. Also, you can scroll down, and you might notice that some sections are like CMS connected sections, right? So we have a room section, and if you check here the CMS, we have rooms here as well. So these images being searched from the CMS collection, and you can notice that by this purple color here, and also notice that this is inside this CMS collection. So every time you have an image here that is purple, and then there is inside the CMS collection, I advise you to just go into the CMS collection here, and then just, of course, updating the image here. And we have this for a lot of sections on the pages, of course, only the sections that make sense to be connected with CMS. But we have here on these room sections, we also have here on this, let me see, this gallery section, right? So all these images are being sourced from the gallery CMS collection, as you can see here, right? So that's about it. Let me know if you have any questions, and see you on the next video.